Here's a clear, no-fluff plan to hit financial freedom in 5 years. Save this. Step 1. Audit everything. Track income, cut 20-30% of non-essentials, set a 5-year number. I need X dollars per month from assets, build a 3-6-month emergency fund. Step 2. Pay off high-interest debt first. Minimums on all, attack the highest APR hard. Pause luxury buys until debt less than 20% of income. Step 3. Raise income. Stack a money skill, copywriting, editing, coding, sales. Aim for plus 1-2K per month within 6-12 months via freelancing or commissions. Step 4. Pay yourself first. Automate 20-40% of income into low-cost index funds / ETFs. Dollar cost average monthly. Keep fees under 0.20%. Step 5. Build assets that pay you. A micro brand, a digital product, a small service agency, or cash-flowing investments like REITs / dividends. Step 6. Ensure what matters, separate business / personal accounts, keep 10-20% cash buffer, and secure accounts. Hit these checkpoints, review quarterly, raise your savings rate every pay bump. Keep it simple. Most people lose by overcomplicating. You don't need luck, you need a system. Comment plan and I'll send